가고 싶어 춤에 끼고 싶고 이런 시간들이 모여 피어나나 싶어 이어폰을 꼈어 꿈에서 나 봤던 우주 비행하고 싶어 멀미약을 삼켜
Hey guys, my weekend starts at 12 a.m. Yes, midnight, with my mom and me watching Korean drama with a bit of snacking.
The next day.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and first of all, good morning. This is actually 11:30 right now and I already had my breakfast, but the thing is I forgot to actually film intro for this video. So yeah, here's the intro. In today's video I'm going to show you what I eat in a weekend, and today is the Saturday, and I think you will be seeing this video on Sunday. Make sure you hit that like button if you like this video, and if you want to watch such kind of videos, make sure you smash this like button guys. Then only I will know that you guys like such kind of videos, so that I can make more of it. And let me know what is your weekend like in the comment section down below. And also, if you're someone new and looking at this face for the first time, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Follow me on my Instagram handle as well. Enough of self promotion, let's straight away get into the day. I wake up around 9:30 in the morning and have a glass of coconut water, also with some coconut pulp.
이런 시간들이 모여 피어나나 싶어 이어폰을 꼈어 꿈에서 나 봤던 우주 비행하고 싶어 멀미약을 삼켜 어린 구름이 있어 해가 손에 있고 달이 손에 있어 하늘은 예뻐 거기서 왼쪽 사진을 찍어 노즐을 채워 우위를 맞추고
So for breakfast I had avocado toast. So this day it was a fail guys, my avocado was not fully ripe, so I took a half an avocado, that is half ripe avocado, and smashed it with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then I toasted a bread, applied the avocado on the toast with a bit of sauce, and also nicely done omelette. Yeah, I did also include boiled eggs.
Something's gonna change. 그냥 흐름을 그린 손 잡아줄게 구름 위로 올라 서늘픈 것은 나도 몰라 처음 보는 광경이 도대체 뭐라 벽을 끼고 날아 강경 말고 자식아 그 모든 자리에 있을 거야 내가 날아가고 있잖아 그걸인지 않은 순간 떨어질까봐 다시 위를 찾아
In the mid-morning I had raw mango with some chili and salt. For lunch, it's my mom's special. She prepared chicken curry in Kerala style actually. So I really liked it. So this is country chicken, not the normal broiler chicken you get. So firstly we need to cook the chicken, right? So for that we are taking freshly washed chicken with some shallots and some chili, and she's adding here turmeric powder and some chili powder so that the chicken will marinate well when also cooking side by side. At last she's adding some rock salt, and you have to mix it like this with your hand, guys, so that the chicken will be marinated well and the masalas will be, you know, seeping in the meat well. Pour enough water and keep it for at least 2 to 3 whistles so that the chicken cooks well, because this is country chicken, it takes time to cook. So once that is done, my mom is taking a little bit of coconut oil in a kadai and she is putting dhania or coriander seeds. So once the coriander seeds have become a little bit reddish shade, she is adding some peppercorns, and on top of that she is adding shredded coconut. So this is a kind of work, guys. So along with the coconut she is adding some garlic. The work is to keep on sauteing this and not burn the coconut. It should become red in color like this. It will take at least 15 minutes or 20 minutes of your time. Now she is adding some red chili powder, and what else, she switched off the gas because it might burn, right? So yeah, mix it well. So once that's cooled down, you have to you know, grind it in the mixer. This is how it will look like. So this is the cooked chicken. We are going to transfer it to the kadai. Now we are adding some tomatoes. Along with the mixture which we, you know, grinded just now, the coconut mixture. So that is actually the masala and the taste maker, you can say, for this entire dish. So you have to let this come to boil maybe for 10 minutes. After that, see, this is how it looks like. So after that, some tadka is required for this. Again, she is taking some coconut oil, rye or mustard with some onion, and at last she added some curry leaves and transfer it to the curry. So this is my lunch, guys. I had a fulfilling yummy lunch and then took a nap. So for lunch I had rice with some curry, which you saw right now, appalam and prawn fry, which is actually a leftover from yesterday's meal, and I had some cabbage sabzi.
You look so fine. Bust up. How did I make you mine?
For evening I had some green tea and ordered pastry from Sweet Truth. I really love this pastry, guys. It's called chocolate truffle.
Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute.
So for dinner we decided to make shin ramyun, which is a Korean ramyun. It's my favorite, also my mom's favorite. So in a kadai I took some oil. I'm frying a little bit of garlic. So I'm just adding garlic first, just to infuse the garlic flavor into the oil, and then I'm adding some onion, finely chopped onion, and sauteing it. Once it's done, I'm adding shredded cabbage, On top of that, I am adding some Kashmiri chili powder, and also I'll be adding black pepper powder just to spice things up. A little bit of dark soy sauce is required, guys, for the taste to be that prominent. So soy sauce is a must. Now I am adding the taste maker which comes with the ramyun, and also the vegetable mix or the vegetable flakes. So this has some mushrooms and dried spring onions. I'm adding a little bit of water just to prevent the masalas from burning. So once you find the cabbage is a bit cooked, you can add enough water, and then when the water boils, add your ramyun. So when the ramyun is in this stage, like semi-cooked stage, at that time I'll be adding capsicum, so that the capsicum doesn't become soggy and it looks and tastes crispy enough. So now it's the time to add capsicum. So ramyun is not complete without omelette, right? So yeah, here is my egg omelette. This is my final dish, guys. Soupy ramyun with some shredded mozzarella cheese. So just guess, guys, what I'm watching. I'm watching a K-drama here. So if you find the K-drama, please mention it in the comment section below. And also let me know what is your recent favorites in K-drama category. I would like to watch your suggestions as well.
번역기가 필요한 글로 쓴 가사들 번역기를 숨겨놔 이해하는 척을 눈을 감고 팬싱하면서 취한 척을 해 좀 어색하게